see about what is digital marketing. So nowadays I think you might have heard about digital marketing. Digital marketing is the key for any business or any product or any service. So first of all, to know about what is digital marketing, we should completely understand what is marketing. What is marketing? Marketing is nothing but the sale of goods or services to individuals is called marketing. If you take anything, it will be in the form of two things. One is either goods or another one is services. So we should sell these goods or services to the consumers, then only we will get profits. So by the use of the digital marketing or marketing techniques, we should sell the goods or services to the people. So marketing involves the selling of goods or services. So in the digital marketing, it will take less time to reach to the people, whereas in the traditional method of marketing, it involves lot of price, money and many more things. So it will take lot of time in traditional marketing. So the digital marketing is the solution for traditional marketing. So first of all, we should understand that we are selling either products or services by the use of digital marketing or marketing. And we should also understand that digital marketing should be concerned in two forms. One is digital marketing in the individual point of view, and the other one is digital marketing in the point of business point of view. What is digital marketing in the individual point of view? So if you take digital marketing in the individual point of view, most of the people nowadays want to earn money online in one or the other forms. So digital marketing is the solution for them. So they will earn the money through websites or affiliate marketing or video marketing or many other things like app marketing. So these are the individual forms. So individuals will earn money through these methods, whereas in the business point of view, business will either want to sell a product or service. So only two mottos they will have: either they want to sell a product or service, or both, product plus service. So they will follow digital marketing techniques and they will reach the people and they will get leads, and that leads may be converted into sales. So like that, the business will be benefited through the digital marketing. So already we are using marketing, then why digital marketing? So now we will discuss about it in deep. So digital marketing is nothing but the use of internet. So nowadays lot of people are using internet in the social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, Google, etc. You will get lot of people, millions of people are in the social networking sites. So if you place an ad in these sites, so your ad will be reached to millions of people within a short period of time, and you will also get the insights So how many people watched your ad, how many people bought your product, how many people are showing interest in your product. So all these metrics are shown in this method. Whereas in the traditional marketing, like newspaper, TVs, magazines, etc., you will give an ad with huge amount of money. So in this way, either people saw your ad or not, you don't know. So this is the biggest drawback. So it involves lot of money and time, so there is no clue whether you will get the leads and conversions. Whereas in the digital marketing, every metric is shown. So this is the main difference between digital marketing and traditional marketing. So now I think you have understood what is digital marketing and traditional marketing. So this is the main concept. So by the use of digital marketing, nowadays lot of people and businesses are using digital marketing and giving ads and promoting their products, whether in the individual point of view or in the business point of view. So every metric is clearly shown, so everything is clear. And nowadays the e-commerce industry is also growing very rapidly, because the purchaser is directly digital marketing. Nowadays lot of people and businesses are using digital marketing and giving ads and promoting their products, whether in the individual point of view or in the business point of view. So every metric is clearly shown, so everything is clear. And nowadays the e-commerce industry is also growing very rapidly, because the purchaser is directly knowing about the product and going to the website and listing their products and directly buying their products with the help of the card or internet banking facility or in many other wallets. So like this, the digital market is going day by day, and it is a very huge industry. And in the digital marketing there are lot of fields, not a single field. So you can get a job by doing this digital marketing, or you can start your own industry, or you can earn through online like YouTube, Facebook pages, like websites, affiliate marketing, so many things like this. Every individual can earn some or the other amount, or you can promote your business with less amount. I think you can promote with 10 rupees also, 10 to 15 rupees, 20 rupees, like that. You can reach thousands of people with less amount within a short period of time. So nowadays all the people and businesses are using this business digital marketing. So it is a huge industry, and there are lot of vacancies are there in digital marketing. This is about digital marketing. I think you have understood what is digital marketing, and in the second class we will discuss about what are the branches present in the digital marketing, and we will discuss about them separately. Thank you for watching my video, friends. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share to others. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.